Hey guys, this is the Eazyrc Patriot. This car isn't brand new, but today we're going to take a closer look to this car. Eazyrc is made by FMS, but the difference is that these cars are not licensed, but they are incredibly detailed. So let me show you everything about this car. So let's unpack the Patriot 118 scalar car. So on the box itself, yeah, you've got four-wheel drive, you've got a lithium battery, you've got spring tension shocks, you've got the 9-gram servo, and they tell you it's ready to run. So let's unpack it and see what's inside here. Ha, nice warning. So you've got a small manual, we don't need that. You've got some plastic stacks, so you've got the top half which protects the car itself, and then you've got the middlest one, and in the bottom you will find your transmitter. So the transmitter is, yeah, I don't like it, It feels plastic, you know, it's not, yeah. It's probably functional, but yeah, I don't like it. So here you will find a battery and a charger, and you've got a tool inside there. So let's take a closer look to the car. So the car itself, that looks pretty nice. You've got a nice bumper over here. You've got a fake winch entrance over here. You've got some hooks so you can connect some D-hooks to them. You've got a snorkel. You've got wipers over there. You've got the mirrors on each side. Yeah, the doors don't open. The hood does. Yeah, you've got some fake handles over there. You've got the rear lights, you've got the spare tire, a nice roof ladder. On the roof itself you've got a nice basket with some lights over there. They are not functional, but they can take 3mm LEDs. So probably in some future videos we will add some more lights to it. Underneath here you've got just standard plastic chassis rails, but that's okay for this car. Yeah, you've got the same axles as some other cars from FMS, and they work fine, they're okay. You know, all the plastic linkages, yeah, they are doing a good job. You know, yeah, you can replace them with iron to get some more weight low down. Yeah, but overall I think the car looks pretty nice. Inside here you've got a scale interior, yeah, you've got seat, you've got a turning wheel, yeah, you've got the back side. Yeah, it looks nice. It's a nice car to see. The shocks, the front shocks feel a little bit stiff. The rear ones are pretty nice and pretty subtle. Yeah, I really like the rear ones, you know, they are looking pretty nice. I think these are a little bit too stiff. The tires are okay, a bit softer compound would be nice to see, but yeah, it's not a very expensive car, so I know that these are just the way to go. So in the front you've got your bonnet or your hood. If you open it, you've got your basic electronics right over here. You've got an on-off switch. You've got your servo mounted, your chassis mounted servo. Pay attention, this is a 5-wire servo, not a 3-wire. So, oh, there's now the battery. That's nice. So mine came with 2 batteries, which is nice to see. And your battery compartment is just right over there. So let's take a closer look to the transmitter again. The transmitter itself, yeah, like I mentioned, it feels a bit plastic, and yeah, it's a bit unsturdy, but it's doing the job. So underneath here you will find your battery compartment. You will need to supply 3 AA batteries to power it. Yeah, you've got your on-off button, your steering wheel, your throttle, yeah, probably a fake antenna, and you've got your steering trim and your throttle trim over there, and that's all to say. So let's put some batteries in here. So the transmitter is working. Let's put the battery in the car itself and just let us see how it drives. So the Eazyrc Patriot car. I think, yeah, the body is a very nice looking car. The electronics and everything, yeah, could be improved, but that's a nice thing in this hobby. You can personalize it to your own preferences. But yeah, for the money, I think it's a pretty nice car. Yeah, what I especially don't like is the transmitter. You know, it's just too flimsy, too yeah. It's not my thing, but the car's got a lot of potential in it, and yeah, in some future videos we are going to yeah, change a lot of things to this car. Alright guys, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you got any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.